Hey everyone, Jacob from Handyman. Today we're going to go over how to patch drywall. The things that we will need is some wood for support, screws that fits to wood, and a drywall piece. We're going to patch that hole in the ceiling. We're going to add the support. Then we're going to put the drywall back, do mudding and texture that area. Okay, so the first thing we are doing is adding the support. It's a little bit tight area. I'm using 1-inch plywood, just piece of wood. Make sure that it's straight and even. I'm adding it right over here. Taking one screw. Make sure you're holding the wood while you're doing it. If not, it will move. And I will do the same thing on the other side. And that's one. Let's put another one that we will have support on both sides. Make sure your screw is going all the way inside the drywall. That way you can put mudding on it and you will not see it. And the other side. Let's see. Yep, that's strong. Now let's move to the drywall piece. Because I cut the drywall myself, I have a drywall piece that is already textured that should make my life a bit easier. Okay, let's see the direction that it's going. I might need to cut some of the lip from what I see. Let me see. Yeah. Let's take it out a little bit. Let's see if it will work. Okay. As you can see, it's matching almost perfectly. I just need to do tape and mudding on the borders. I will put some screws to connect it to the wood. So we will have one over here. Let me move my ladder a little bit. There. Let's fix that. Let's tighten this one a little bit. And that's pretty much it. All I need to do now to do some taping, mudding, and I should be good to go. Okay, after I added the tape, drywall tape surrounding the frame, now I'm going to do mudding, and finally I'm going to do text too.